I think self-awareness is a constant, honest assessment of your reality. Being aware of what you could do better. Being aware of what you can control. Being aware of what's out of your control. Being aware of what you're doing well. It's a constant process, but it's a skill like anything else. Aim for honesty, try and see as is, rather than through your own filters. These are 15 ways to develop self-awareness. Welcome to the growth mindset. Tip 1, practice mindfulness. By practicing mindfulness, you take a step back and pay attention to what's happening right now inside your head and out. You focus on your breath, your feelings, and even the sounds around you. This chilling out allows you to see your thoughts and emotions for what they are, without getting caught up in them. Over time, this newfound awareness helps you understand yourself better. You see your patterns, what triggers you, and why you might react a certain way. Pretty cool, right? Tip 2, keep a journal. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, even the messy ones, you start to recognize patterns. Like, what makes you tick? What situations bug you, and what things make you super happy? This way, you become more aware of who you are and why you do the things you do. Pretty cool, right? Tip 3, look in the mirror. You might think looking in the mirror is just about checking your outfit, but it can actually be a surprising tool for self-awareness. It's not just about vanity. Taking a moment to pause and look at yourself can spark some reflection. Think about how you're holding yourself, how your face reflects your mood, or even how you react to your own image. It's a simple way to start noticing the nonverbal cues you're giving off and how you're presenting yourself to the world. Tip 4, practice meditation. By quieting your mind and focusing on your breath, you can observe your thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. It's like noticing, hey, there's that worry about work again. But instead of panicking, you simply watch it float by. This helps you understand your own patterns and triggers, making you more aware of yourself in a calm and collected way. Tip 5, read self-help books. Self-help books can be like having a wise friend coach you from the sidelines. They make you think about your thoughts, feelings, and why you do the things you do. By reading about different experiences and approaches, you can start to recognize your own patterns and figure out what makes you tick. It's like holding up a mirror to your insides and getting a clearer picture of who you are. Tip 6, take personality tests. Ever feel like you're a bit of a mystery, even to yourself? Personality tests can be a fun way to crack the code. They ask you questions about how you react to situations and what you value, then give you a snapshot of your personality type. It's not like you're shoved into a box, but it can highlight things you might not have realized about yourself, like why you crave time alone to recharge or how you naturally take charge in a group. It's a good starting point for thinking about what makes you, you. Tip 7, seek feedback from others. By asking friends, family, or even colleagues how they see us, we get a more complete picture. It might not always be sunshine and rainbows, but it helps us understand our strengths, weaknesses, and even blind spots. This way, we can build a more realistic idea of who we are and how we show up in the world. Tip 8, practice yoga. Maybe your shoulders tense up when you're stressed, or a certain move makes you feel super focused. By paying attention to these little signals, yoga helps you understand yourself better, both physically and mentally. It's like a constant check-in, letting you know how you're doing and how to adjust your practice for the better. Tip 9, set goals. Setting goals can be like holding up a mirror to yourself. It shows you what you value, what you're good at, and maybe even where you need some improvement. You might find you're a total rock star at tackling challenges, but keeping things organized is your kryptonite. By seeing how you react and what works for you as you chase your goals, you'll gain a much clearer picture of who you are. Tip 10, reflect on past experiences. By revisiting those moments, good or bad, you can see how you reacted, what you learned, and maybe even spot some patterns. Did you crush that presentation you were nervous about? Now you know you can handle pressure. Did you argue with a friend over a misunderstanding? Now you might be more careful to listen before reacting. This way, you build a better picture of yourself, your strengths, weaknesses, and what makes you tick. It's like getting to know yourself all over again. Tip 11, practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is like holding a magnifying glass to the good stuff in your life. It forces you to slow down and appreciate the big things, family, friends, and the little things, that perfect cup of coffee. By taking a moment to be thankful, You start to notice what truly matters to you and how you react to different situations. It's like a self-awareness boot camp, helping you see your strengths, what makes you happy, and even the things that might need a little tweaking. Tip 12. Seek therapy or counseling. A therapist is a trained professional who can help you dig deeper into yourself. By talking through your experiences and emotions, you can start to identify patterns you might not have noticed before. It's like holding up a mirror to your blind spots and realizing, hey, that's why I react that way. This newfound self-awareness can be a game changer, helping you navigate life's challenges with more clarity and confidence. Tip 13. Practice active listening. You know how you might think you're listening, but you're really just waiting for your turn to talk? Active listening is the opposite of that. It's about truly paying attention to someone, like what they're saying and feeling, not just waiting for a pause to jump in. By focusing on understanding the other person, you start to realize your own internal chatter. Maybe you judge certain topics or get impatient easily. This self-awareness can be a real eye-opener, helping you become more mindful in all your interactions. Tip 14. Take breaks. Taking breaks isn't just about giving your eyes a rest. It's like stepping back from the whole situation for a second. When you come back, you can see things with fresh eyes and maybe even realize you were getting frustrated or going down the wrong path. It's like hitting refresh on your brain and your awareness of what's going on inside your own head. Tip 15. Be patient. It takes time and patience to wander around, get lost sometimes, and figure out what makes this place tick. By being patient with yourself, you allow yourself the space to notice your thoughts, feelings, and reactions without judgment. It's like stepping back and observing yourself instead of getting swept away in the moment. The more patient you are with this exploration, the better you'll understand the unique landscape of who you are. Self-improvement is a lifelong journey, and every step you take brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. We hope you found our tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We'd also love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and helpful tips on personal growth and development. We release new videos every day, so be sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.